Hello everyone, hope you're all well. Oh, right, there we go. So I've been to the tool station and bought myself a fan for the summer. I've got one. My one is broken and needs replacing. So this is a review and unboxing video of it. It works with one of these batteries or any Makita batteries with the bit here. Right, so let's get into this unboxing. Hopefully I don't need a knife. No, I do not. Here it is. Jesus Christ, look at it. And there she is, people. So you get that with it as well. So box that way. Go. Hope this battery fits. Should do. There it is, and there's that. Well, so far it's not fitting. Let me go grab my other battery. Right, so this one works. If not, we have got a problem. I'm back. Right, I hope this actually fits. It's one of the small ones, isn't it? Yeah, it's one of the small batteries of it. Not the one with the yellow bit. Thought it was. Good grab a small one, but the reason that battery does not fit. We go grab the small one, and I will see if that fits. If not, I'll find a battery that fits. Right, so let's hope this battery fits this, hopefully. If not, then we got an issue. There we go, that one fits, it's in now. So, see if it'll work. I'll turn it on. It works, so that's on. So, we'll crank up the speed. And go timer, I guess they're in now for the spin. Pretty sick. But I've got it now, then waiting for it. Yeah, so if you are going to get one of these, just bear in mind it is this battery here. This small one, because none of this one won't fit it. And this one won't fit it either. So bear that in mind. It is these ones, so I'd get a collection of these small batteries for this. So yeah, so that's the end of the video. Hope you all enjoy. I'm going to catch you for the next one.